Okay, there is a reason for this video. This here is Albie. Albie is new to this house. He's a kind of a rescue. Now, he is the naughtiest dog that we've ever had. I'm running out of socks. I'm running out of other things that he's found that he thinks he can chew up. But when he's asleep, he looks really sweet. So I'm going to put him on the background of Home Assistant being sweet, so I don't kill him next time he chews something up. I can look at Home Assistant and realise he's not like it all the time. So let's roll the credits and get a dog that doesn't want to sit on my lap because there's more things to chew up around the house, and get into it. So let's install Samba. Into settings, into add-ons, go to the add-on store, and in the add-on store you should have Samba Share, and click install. Okay, and we need to quickly go into configuration. Okay, it wants a username and password. I'm going to use Home Assistant as the username, and for the password I'm going to use a secret password. Okay, I don't think we need to do anything else here. So all these shares are going to be kind of enabled automatically. So we could pick allowed hosts. You could pick areas that you're only allowed to go from. I'm just going to pick save. And then I'm going to go to info. I'm going to switch on watchdog and auto update and click start. There's some other things I need to change in here. So I'm going to need to change the work group to work group 2. I'm going to change the username to demo. I'm also going to switch off it being a master. Now this means it won't become something that kind of knows what's on all the network. It's a demo machine I'm using here, so I switch it on and off all the time, so it's probably not a good idea. I can switch off capability for Apple devices because I'm never ever going to have one of those. Share from those devices, and yeah, those allowed hosts are fine. Click save. I'm going to click cancel on that for now. Go into here and switch these on and click restart. Okay, we all seem to be running now. So the way to prove the point is if I go to Windows Explorer and, oh no, missed. I'm going to need to zoom in on this. So I now need to go to 192.168.1.157. That's my Home Assistant address. So it's just making sure what I want to connect up with here. So I'm going to pick more choices and use a different account. And remember, I called the username demo and the password was that. I'm going to say remember my credentials and click OK. Okay, so there's the Home Assistant shares. So what we can do is we can look in the media folder. We can go and look at config. So if you get a horrible problem, you can actually look at config.yaml. There it is. So that's set up Samba Share, which means you can get to the file system. So what I'm going to do in the www folder, I'm going to create a new folder called images. And inside there, I'm going to put an image of our new arrival, our new waif and stray, who's called Albie, who's a miniature wirehead dachshund, and he's an absolute pain. So the picture's going to be a cute picture to remind me not to try and kill him. So that picture's loading now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new tab on my dishwasher area. I'm going to call it dog. We might as well have an icon. We might as well have an icon called dog. And I could set scenes and subviews and all sorts of stuff, but let's just go to background. So I'm going to select from media and I'm going to say manual entry. Now we put it in the www folder, but that's called local in Home Assistant. So /local. And inside there, we put it in an images folder and we called it dog.jpg. So there you can see him. Click save. So there is the naughtiest dog that we've got, who's very good at looking sweet. So that's it for today. If you could like and subscribe, that would be great. You can join my mailing list and I send you stuff every week. I don't send you any jokes, none at all. It's all boring and, oh, she's not there anymore. Yeah, I do. I send loads of that stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Unless you want to watch this one or this one. You're feeling very sleepy. See you on the next one.